Keystone Custom Homes Devon Creek community is a smart growth master plan community centrally located between iconic bustling Lancaster City and bucolic rural Pennsylvania Dutch country Leola. You have the quiet, serene nature of a rural community, but you're minutes from major amenities and 3 major highways that run through Lancaster County that connect us to all the surrounding areas. Keystone Custom Homes is very excited to offer 17 villa-style homes in the Devon Creek community. The villas are going to be a duplex-style home. We have 2 different floor plans. The Maplewood with the first floor owner suite is just under 2,100 square feet, and the Waterford, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, all bedrooms upstairs on the 2nd floor, floor plan is just under 2,300 square feet. Comparable floor plan to the Devon Creek villas would be our Crestwood floor plan. It's beautiful, it has a front porch similar to our villas in Devon Creek. Walking into the home, you have this really nice foyer with the tray ceiling, opens up into a family room, dining room, living area, which is that lifestyle feature with a cathedral ceiling, a white brick fireplace, lots of natural light flowing into the plan, gorgeous classic kitchen. Just an incredible, beautiful plan, really well regarded by our customers. For someone looking for a low maintenance lifestyle type home, the villas at Devon Creek are gonna offer that, and they're gonna offer that in an amenity rich location that's convenient to everything that Lancaster has to offer.